What's up, my people? This is your boy BM Africa, typical village boy, born and raised in Kenya. Alright. Yeah, man, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can grow together. Like, share, and that's the only way you can support and hold the heart of a village boy. Right here. So today, my people, I have something very new today. I just want to fabricate a phone. I have a phone right here. It's not working perfectly. Look at it. Wow, not working. Yeah, man, I have my screw here. This phone. Opening the phone right here. Soldering gun for welding. Soldering cable or soldering wire. And we also have this one, dry cleaner for cleaning the phone so that the phone can work perfectly. Because nowadays in my area we have a lot of sometimes sunny and windy, and dust. So we have to clean because maybe the phone has a lot of dust. So we have to make it very clear. I have my flash here. Yeah, man, you please subscribe. Yeah, man. We also have this one here. This is a soldering gun. This for welding. Look at it. It's on right now. Let's put it here. See? Yeah, man, you see there? It's working perfect. Very nice. So you got to fabricate everything. So let us start opening the phone first of all. Yeah, man, I have my loading cable. Here is the loading cable, like you see. So we have to pull it to see if the phone is working perfectly. The phone is not working, right? So we can pull the cable here, right here. You see? Let's pull the cable there. So we are going to start. We see how to open up the phone and see if it's working. Right there, right now. So we have already opened the cover. So 3000 battery, modern techno. See the phone K7. So we want to open the phone right here. Let's open the phone right here. Open the phone slowly by slowly. The other screw. Wow. That's a screw. So we have to remove this screw there. Put it right here. See? That's the screw there. Yeah. So we are going to open all of screws. We put it here. We are opening the phone right here. We put some screws back. Actually, the phone setting place has a problem with charging system. Also, the connector to the display have a problem also. So we have to fix everything, right? Let's go. So here is my loading cable. And here is our screws, like you see. There's a lot of screws there. So we have to get all the screws. Put it at the same board like this. Let's see. Yeah, man. So we have to open another one screw. Yeah, but here. This is how the phone looks like, guys. So we have to open the phone. So let's remove this one. Try to remove that one. This for the fingerprints. This for the fingerprint. Look at it. This one, everything is. Look at it. And this is for BM Africa 2-pack record. Yeah, man. So we're going to weld a little to see if the phone is working perfectly. This cable here read just a little. Let's try to fix this. Yeah, man. Nice one. just want to test if the file is passing through, if this cable is loading the charge from here, electricity to here. So I have to test with using my mouth. I think it's working now, guys. So I have to put this one there, fix everything at the right point. Let's see if it's going to work. Want to see Kenya. Just want to see how is it charging or not? 0%. So let's see if we can charge more and more. It's not charging again. So we want to leave it just a little to see if the phone is charging or not. Yeah. Yeah, man. One love. So give it the time. Still 0%. Still at 0%. So let's see. Let's give it time. Yeah man. Yo, please subscribe to that channel, man. Hey, Tupac Shakur, you see it. Yeah man. Try to open the phone right here. Let's see if the phone is working perfectly or not. Yeah man. Walan Shanta. Yeah man. You see now the phone is working right now. We just want to see if it's upgrading, is charging the battery or not. So that's why I decided to order it. Let's see. Wow. Still at 0. Yeah, man. So the phone is working right now. So you have to fix everything. You see the phone. Now the phone is okay. It's getting some messages. Can you hear some messages coming? See? Right there. Everything is okay right now. Like the video, subscribe so that I can go high, man. So let me just try to fix the still. Let's try to fix the cable here. This phone network. To get all the screws together. There's the screws. So you have to fix the fingerprint right here to the floor. You can see this one. Fabricate the phone will work in later, but the problem is that we don't have the switch like that. So we have to fix this one. Screws everywhere. So I have to put the screws Let's put this one here, right here. A lot of screws. Wait, my people. If you love what I'm doing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, so that we can grow together. Let's go. This out all the progress of the phone. This is how the phone looks like right now after you have already repaired the phone to be brand new. Right, it's charging. It has around 2% right now, and it was around 0% and it was not charging at all. So I decided to repair it again to be brand new so that I can use this phone. You see right here. Wow, 300 watts, 300 amperes for the battery. So, and the phone is Tecno K7. Yeah, Tecno K7, like you see there. Let me just, I don't know, I can put this way. Yeah, Tecno K7. That's Tecno K7. And I've already fabricated. It's working perfectly. The only remaining is that we can only fabricate the switches, and that's the work for another day. But for now, I just want to explain to you how this phone works right here. You know, if you can see, the charging plate has a problem. It was very damaged, and I was thinking to clean it first before I fabricate it. But I noticed, let me just repair the charging plate first of all before we fabricate the phone right here. Before we fabricate the switches, we repair the charging plate, the ports, and also this is my loading cable. If you can see that my loading cable as is very long and is working perfectly, and that's why I just want to show you how the phone was dead, very dead phone. Now a brand new phone, like it's all not, is very nice right now. So if you want to switch, I think you can use the pin to switch the phone on and off. You see it right here. Now it's working perfectly. Look at it. And also it has a password, so we have to open the password first of all so that I can use the phone. But it's very nice, it's working perfectly right here. In the next thing is that we have a cover right here. This is our cover, so we have to remove the loading cable like this. You remove the loading cable, then you put the cover on top of it like this. Then after that you can plug in the loading cable right here. Now it's 3% right here, you see 3% right here. Wow, that 3. So the phone is charging right here. So I have to switch my soldering gun. Like you see, is working red, very dangerous. See, I think this place is very hot right here, so you have to be very careful. Like you see, wow, that's our soldering gun or soldering bits. So we have to put it here and we remove it from the socket. So let's try to remove from the socket, because we have already done everything that was needed here right there. Okay, the phone is working perfectly. Number 2, people are asking me, I have a lot of skills. Yes, I have a lot of skills, and I was trying to start a hack welding school for welding the electronics, the metal works, but the I don't know what I can tell you guys. The government did not give me the opportunity to start my hack welding school, and I closed my workshop at that time, and that's why right now I decided to help people how to fix their phones, their dead phones, their extensions, and what else, extension, and maybe some kettles, not kettles, kettles for boiling the water. So sometimes how to fix the element that is needed, either the switches, some, I think the spare part. And before we continue, okay, let me just give you a little music and we continue right there. Let's go. So all right, I got these skills from the tourist. Yeah, man, when they are coming to see the home of the Big Five in Africa. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah, man, the great Masai Mara, the wild-beast migration. Yeah, you got some new skills from the village boy. Yeah, man, greeting from Kenya, Africa. And this is your boy BM Africa, the village boy. If you like what I'm doing, say hello. And the phone is very nice right here. From hold right here. save the elephant from the ivory poachers, you know? Yeah, also the dogs are also animals, so you protect the animals. Yeah, don't kill the animals, don't kill the elephant. Save the elephant from the poachers. Yeah, man, and this is your boy BM Africa. Let's go. Yeah, my people from Jamaica. I mean UK in England. Also, don't forget the people from Las Vegas in the US. Tribulation Kids. Yeah, man, Doreen Smalls. Windball in England, I mean. Europe, Asia, America. Africa. Yeah. Don't forget my country, Kenya. I love you, Kenya. Africa, my motherland. Yeah, together we stand, one love. This is your boy BM Africa, typical village boy, born and raised in Kenya. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, the home of the Big Five. I mean the crazy safari. Two-wheel off-road. The adventure have already started. BM Africa. If you like it, yeah, man. Yeah, CJ the African Eagle. Burundian Traveler. Don't forget Alfred the Singer. Alfred the Singer, the great traveler of England. Yeah, man. If you like what I'm doing, please please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also share the video. Yeah, together we stand, one love. I'm proud to be African. Africa, my motherland. BM Africa. Yeah, my people from Jamaica. Mombasa Raha. I mean people from Mombasa. Maureen Ogik. Let's go. And don't forget my brother Borina Traveler in Mombasa. Keep grinding, brother. CJ the African Eagle. You have already changed the name to CJ African Eagle. We used to call him Cloud Joseph. Let's go. Yeah, they are doing amazing job there. Yeah. Big shout out to you, brothers and sisters. Yeah, man, I appreciate your support, guys. That's all from the village boy in Kenya. You can also learn how to repair the phones, chargers, loading cables, and everything from the village boy right here. Yeah, man. Let's go. And if you don't subscribe, this is a club. This is for protecting the elephant. No more fight. This to protect the elephant from the poachers. Don't kill our animals. I'll be right there for you. Yeah, man. Like I told you, from dead phone to brand new phone. Let's go. Yaman World Animal Protection. Let's go. Yaman, let's save our big five so that the tourists can come to our village and see the big five. And the term is right here for the wild beast migration. New phone in the village, new phone in town, right here. Thank you so much. From dead phone to new phone, right here. Yeah, man. we are going to fix the switches, but we don't have the right switch for this, so we have to fix the new switches for this phone right here. So I don't know the new one, so I have to fabricate it and fix it so that we can use for switching on and off the phone, because I know I'm not going to use this one right here. So we have to, let me switch again, right? Oh, yeah, like that. Now it's working. So we have to, from that phone to new phone, from the Village Boy BM Africa. Subscribe right there. Let's go. Yeah, man. And this is your boy BM Africa. Yeah, man. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. BM Africa in a capital letter. Yeah, man, a big adventure is coming soon. That's all from the Village Boy. Yeah, man, the Village Boy got skills from the tourist. And that's why I always tell people, don't kill the animals, don't kill the lions, don't kill the buffaloes, don't kill the zebras. Let's go. It's our heritage. I love the nature. Yeah, the home of the Big Five. Yeah, man, big shout out to my people all over the world. Yeah, man, South America, North America, Asia, Europe, and all the world. Africa, my motherland. Don't forget my dream country, South Africa. Yeah, man. My dream country, South Africa.